Hey everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new. Today I'm just going to be showing you guys how I do my silk press. As you can see, my hair is flowy, shiny, bouncy, and healthy. So first I'm going to start out by just detangling an old style that I had did. It was just wand curls. Everything I use as far as shampoo and conditioner will be in the description box below. I recommend using a microfiber towel, but if you don't have one, a t-shirt works just fine. I just wouldn't use a regular towel. But first, let's do a commercial break before we get into the silk press. This is my brand, What's His Name, and Sean, Savion, and Phil are wearing my shirt, Covered by the Blood of Jesus. You can find us on Instagram at What's His Name Apparel. And yeah, I will put the link below. Jumping back into the video, I am putting on Cheese Silk Infusion heat protectant along with a split end mender just to protect my ends further because the ends of your hair are the oldest part. Now, I am doing the tension method, but I'm going to show y'all how to do it the right way because I've been seeing y'all do it the wrong way. So I've just detangled my hair. I've got a good grip on it. I'm holding the hair pretty taut. And I'm just going in with the blow dryer to get the hair at least 90% straight before I let go. If you let go before it's not dry enough, you're not doing it right. So as you can see, I'm getting my roots. I'm getting the hair from roots to tip and trying to get it dry so when I let go, the hair is straight, as you can see. A few pieces within the hair were curly, as you can see, so I'm just making sure those are dry and straight. I always make sure I get my roots really good, so that's what I'm doing here. Still using the tension method. You should rarely need your brush. Here I'm just making sure my roots are really straight once again before I move on into the next section. Using the same method here, holding my hair pretty firm with a firm grip, making sure I go in between the hair with the nozzle, getting my roots going in the direction of my hair, which is downward. Here is an example of what not to do. I let my hair go just a second too early. So as you can see, the hair was still damp and poofy. Going a step further just to make sure my roots are really straight as possible. Just to make my job easier when I go in with the flat iron. Back in the front using the same method. Firm grip, getting my roots, and going down in a downward motion. This is the very next day and I just woke up, so my face is a little puffy, but I am cleaning off my hot tools per usual. You never want to go in with dirty or greasy hot tools on clean hair. I'm I'm pretty sure I lost the clip, but I did go around the perimeter of my hair with that hot comb just to make my life easier in the end, which y'all will see. I already went ahead and straightened the majority of my head, but for the actual straightening part, I don't do anything special. I don't even do the chase method just because it's pretty much unnecessary for me. But I comb the piece first, and then I get my roots really, really good, and then I just go down semi-slow. I always go over my roots multiple times just because I like my roots to be straight. I think that's the point of a silk press. However, I know some of you guys are really, really scared of heat damage, so you don't have to do that, but your roots won't be as straight. Here I am just perfecting my part before I go in with the hot comb to perfect it even more and make sure the part actually stays. Before I go in with any sprays, I reinforce the part with a hot comb, and then I will use my Got2b to make sure the flyaways stay down. Here I am just dusting my ends. I'm not necessarily clipping them because I took 2 inches off not long ago. I then go in with my Got2b spray to get the flyaways sprayed on my hand and rub my hands together to make it a little tacky, and then I just go in on top. And that is all for my updated silk press routine. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Comment below if you have any questions. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.